$7.58 a yard, faux silk railroaded stripe. Another example of American Silk Mills stock liquidation that we have received, which we are offering at prices below original wholesale. We don't know original pattern names or other specifics, but we do know these are premium fabrics of the highest quality that we have acquired at a bargain basement price that we can pass on to our customers. This is in browns and grays, rayon polyester at SchindlersFabrics.com, Schindler's Upholstery and Fabric Shop Incorporated in Cleveland, Ohio.